Morning, it is Saturday, October 12th. Me and Prince slept in.
Scary book videos.
Keen's gonna do the scary book videos. But let me do the update real quick. So, we had leftover French toast for breakfast, sliced fresh pineapple, and sausages.
Dad,
what else? Add orange juice?
Daddy, how do you spell Spooky Halloween
Scrappy?
Slappy.
Slappy? S-L-A-P-P-Y. I can help you. So we went to S. No, me and Kian are working on a spooky book. L.
Okay. Don't.
A. Yeah, so trying to figure out the rest of the month.
What's the next one?
P. P. Y. So Kian's working on these spooky books.
This one?
Yep. Good job. Slappy. So we played Legos.
And Slappy.
Last night.
Remember that movie you watched, Slappy?
Yeah.
That one? Hey, don't show. Don't show.
Okay.
It kind of I'm vital.
Can't know. He's the ghostwriter. Keen's being a ghostwriter.
No, he's not.
It's because nobody wants. He doesn't want nobody to know that he's a writer.
Stop it.
Okay. Anyways, so we're gonna do.
Okay.
We're gonna stay home today.
How do you say Slappy?
Jack-o'-lanterns and stuff.
Slappy's.